Hello, welcome to today's episode. I'm going to talk about 5 side hustles that need little or very minimal capital to start.
Why are Kenyans so fascinated with having side hustles, in your opinion?
In my opinion, I think the economy is so bad and life has become so expensive. So people need to earn some extra cash to supplement what they already have. That's why you see most of the young people getting into the side hustles that they do.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the cost of living in Kenya, in the country, has really gone up. So what are some of the side hustles the youth can actually delve in?
You're either a student or an employee and you need to make money on the side. And you're wondering, what can I do on the side? Well, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first side hustle is selling snacks. If you're a student or if you're an employee, what you do, you make snacks, that is boiled eggs or sausages or mandazi and even fried groundnuts. Now this is what you do. You package them so nicely. Fellow employees during their 10 o'clock tea or the 4 p.m. tea. As a student, you can sell to your fellow students. Side hustle that you can do is actually renting out your house on Airbnb. If you are not around over the weekend, you can put your house on B&B and get people to come stay there and they pay you. Nowadays, most people prefer the the furnished apartments to hotels. So that is something that you can really try out. If you have a car, you can decide to put it on Uber. You become an Uber driver. When you're leaving the office, turn it on, carry people, make money from it. Or even over the weekends when you're not in the office or you're during your free time, you can use it to Uber and make extra cash. Yeah, don't just use your car to drive to and fro work. Make money from it. I mean, it's just economical. Want to make to have a side hustle that gives you good amount of money, try cereals business. If you stay in an estate, you can be selling from your house, or nowadays social media has given us different platforms whereby we can sell. You can sell your rice, your green grams, beans, all types of cereals and make good money from it. You can also sell fruits, yeah, either to the office or just open an online shop and let people come to you and buy. Another business would be printing and branding items, especially mugs. You can do t-shirts, hoodies. Yeah, do that and make money. And finally, the cake business is booming. Everybody is eating cake. In every occasion, there has to be a cake. You could take online classes and learn how to bake cake. All the events that require cakes, you can be making them and get money just from your home. Make cakes and sell cakes for events and occasions. For your time. I hope this video has been of help to you and you've gotten an idea of something that you can do on the side to earn money. To share this video, please do so to your friends who are still wondering on what to do, and we'll continue to talk more and bring more so that you can get more videos coming soon. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.